welcome to this demonstration of eGain's knowledge for ServiceNow. In this demonstration, you'll be able to see eGain's award-winning AI, knowledge management, and customer engagement apps all integrated into ServiceNow's agent workspace or classic user interface. On the screen, you can see I'm currently opened within the eGain Knowledge Hub sitting within ServiceNow. So this means that at any point in time, if I want access to maybe refresh my mind or just see what the updates are within the knowledge base, I now have access to the eGain Knowledge Hub within my ServiceNow desktop, so I don't have to go anywhere else. So the first example I wanted to showcase is how the eGain Knowledge Hub can help support an agent as they're handling an interaction. I've already got an interaction in place. You can see that the eGain Knowledge Hub on the right has automatically already searched up the customer's inquiry within the knowledge base to display a virtual assistant for agent, relevant search results, as well as any web search results that we are able to federate in. Now with the virtual assistant for agent, what it's actually doing is continuously monitoring conversations so that it can serve up best practice guidance and knowledge to agents whenever it's relevant. Now in this case, setup autopay is a relevant use case, and the virtual assistant understands which path I as an agent have to take. So I'll go ahead and select on the article itself. From here, what's actually happening is that we're now going into what we call a guided help, which is essentially any complex processes or procedures broken down into very easily consumable pieces for both your agent and your customers to follow along. Now with the process guidance, as an agent, I do get guidance on exactly what I need to say and what I need to do when handling this interaction or this question specifically. If I scroll down, I also get pre-answered questions, right? So this is information that we didn't gather during the interaction. It's information that we were able to pull from any external systems that we're integrated with to input them in as pre-answered questions so that I, as an agent, can focus on the next critical question or the next best question. In this case, I'll go ahead and scroll back up. Now the next couple of questions I'll breeze through, but what I wanted to highlight out of this is that you have now the ability to break down any complex procedures, making it a lot easier for your agent to follow through. So that means that no matter what level of proficiency your agent is at, they'll always be able to offer up the right support to your customer, just like any experienced agent would be able to do. And this also ensures that their productivity goes up because now they don't have to memorize the process. They just need to be able to follow along, click the right buttons, type in the right information, all while interacting with this customer. Attach the article, right? And it now means that anytime I look back at this interaction, I'll be able to view what information or solution was shared to the customer. Now let's move on to the next example, which is going to give us a look at how an ITSM agent handles an incident and how we can utilize the eGain Knowledge Hub to help out with the Sprinter ticket. On the screen, I'm already within the incident ticket itself. I've already gathered the necessary information, such as why this customer was calling in. In this case, it's because their printer isn't working. So if I scroll down, I'll be able to see the eGain Knowledge Hub. From here, we've already started the process. We've already clicked on the Virtual Assistants for Agents recommendation. But just to note, the same knowledge capabilities, such as Virtual Assistant for Agent or the automatic search that we saw earlier, can also be done for an ITSM agent so that they can have everything available.